Hi, I'm Sri Dati, Estate Manager at Alamora, Villawood's newest flagship community in Tarneit. I'm pleased to let you know that construction works are progressing very well on site for stages 1, 2 and 3. Our contractors have started road construction for stage 1 and are midway through construction of the curbs. Stage 2, sewer and water are nearing completion and our contractors are now preparing to commence road construction. Stage 3 is progressing well and our contractors are installing drainage pipes and gas mains. Titles for both stages 1 and 2 are on track for the fourth quarter of 2021. And titles for stage 3 are expected to be end of December or early January next year. Stay tuned for more updates.